I now request the team to play the video address by Shri Suresh Prabhu, Prime Minister of India Sherpa to the G7 and G20.
It's a very important event that is taking place. Solar energy, if harnessed properly, can meet each and every person's demand globally. Each and every segment of society can be fully satisfied with energy demand only from solar source. But to harness that energy from shining sun to bringing it to homes and factories and other places needs technology. And technology can transform not just solar energy scene but the entire energy scene of the world. Some facets of that: how to improve the solar panel efficiency, how to make sure that concentrated solar power can be harnessed more, how can we use more solar thermal, and that too probably without using too much of water. How can we make sure that solar energy can be stored in a very significant quantity for a longer period in a cost effective manner? How can we use solar energy can be used on a handhold like this? Can we not use energy and keep it here so that whenever I need I can use it? These are the kind of new challenges which are going to be addressed by the technology. To make it affordable, to make it universal, to make it reach every home, not to have any climate change related issues, no carbon footprint. These are the kind of technological solutions we need. And thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we now have an International Solar Alliance, which is an intergovernmental body. Many countries are joining from all parts of the world. That makes it a truly global platform to bring in best technological minds together to address twin challenges of energy and environment at the same time. This one technological breakthrough that we will make is going to change the face of the world. The sun is a real source of energy. Sun rises every day. Sun is the primary source of energy which really created other sources of secondary energies. Therefore, I wish you all the best. International Solar Alliance is a very vibrant and a very forward-looking body which I am sure is going to transform the world. But to do that, the most important contribution will come from the technologies like you. This is the first summit of its kind, and I offer you my best wishes. I can clearly see that with only one your intervention, you are going to save the human race for future. You are going to save the biological life from extinction. You are going to reduce the cost of adaptation, which is going to run into billions of dollars. You are going to save the world from natural catastrophes, because if the climate change can be reversed, the catastrophes will still happen but not at the same magnitude, at the same scale. So let me offer you my best wishes. I am very happy as a champion of solar energy for all my life. I am very happy to see all of you working on it. As a former power minister, I am very happy to see that what you are doing. As a former environment minister, I am happy that you are going to save the environment. Thank you very much.